Hello everyone again, and peace be upon all of you. What is the Cmdlets? It is very nice that nowadays we use the mother Google and search for what we need, and we can find a nice scripts or a commands which we can use in the PowerShell to automate our tasks. But many of us don't even understand how it's working. So it's very important to at least understand the basic and the fundamental structure with the PowerShell. And one of those first things which you need to know is how to write what the commands which you need and how you can perform and how you can write this. The first thing is the Cmdlets. What is the Cmdlets? The PowerShell, it's all about the commands that you can execute, the action that you can take, and the information that you can get back, which is in total in PowerShell called Cmdlets. Cmdlets also Microsoft.NET programs designed to interact with Microsoft PowerShell automation platform and scripting language. Cmdlets are written in a verb and noun format. You need to know that, and this is the first thing about our lesson today. The format, it's verb hyphen noun, verb followed by the noun. And you know what, let me show you in real life what does that mean. We are here in a Windows Server 2016 machine, and as you can see, it's expired. Lovely. Anyway, you can see here downside with the PowerShell ISE, right click and make sure that you run as administrator. Okay. By the way, you can actually modify whatever you want the interface with the PowerShell from the tools here. You can go to the options, and then as you can see, you can do whatever you want. You can choose the font size, you can choose the background, you want red, green, blue, and then the text. Just spend some time here and see what is more comfortable with you. As for me, I will just cancel, and let's choose this, or let's just write these commands. Get hyphen verb. What I want here to know that get is the verb. It describes the action that is to take a place, followed by the verb, which is actually here, verb is the noun. The noun describes the target of the action. I want to execute the verbs in the PowerShell. If I hit the enter here, I will get this execution. It will give me the verbs, and it also will categorize as the most common here: add, clear, close, copy, enter, exit, whatever. So as you can see, what you need to know now that get is a verb followed by the noun. Okay, next let's choose another example. So I will write get process. Okay, this Cmdlets, it will give me the process which is running in this PC. If I hit the enter, it will show me all the process in this computer. But what if I want to know a particular process? Is that even possible? Yes, it is possible. But how can we do this? We will use also this format, which is the verb followed by the noun, and then the parameter followed by the arguments. And what does that mean? Let me show you. Get followed by process, which is the noun, all right, hyphen or dash, and then we are going to use what we want to looking for. We want to looking for a specific name here, all right. So let's write name, and this is considered the parameter followed by the arguments. What we are looking for, what is the name that we are looking for here within this process? Well, let's say that I want to look for the PowerShell process. Okay, so I will just hit, oh, it's even the PowerShell detected, hit the enter, PowerShell, and this is how it named here in the PowerShell. Hit the enter, and as you can see, it gave us the specific name of this specific parameter. I want to look for the PowerShell, and then it gives me this answer. Alright. In summary, the commandlets, you can use the format of verb followed by the noun. Okay, if you want to find a specific thing, you have to follow it by the parameter and the arguments, and this is in short what it means, the commandlets. And see you next time. Bye.